Hey y'all, welcome back to Eat with Shauna. How's the foodie fam out there doing today? I hope y'all having a marvelous day. You know I am, and you know what I say. Any day above and not under, it's a blessed one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl, aka my mama. She over there, so if I look over there, that's her. She is currently not feeling too hot, but I am y'all replacement. Y'all know how we get down. We lit. Let me fix that. Okay, first of all, it is Shakara's birthday. So happy birthday to her. And let's get to the mukbang because I'm hungry. And I can tell y'all what went down to it because the house, it was a lot of foolery going on. So we got some fries. What's it? Honey barbecue, hot wings from Sharks. Okay. So today we got Mika dress altered. Well, not altered, but you know, it's in the shop to get altered. And we also went to Sam's Club. We got Mika Kari birthday cake. Yeah. Shark's honey barbecue wings are so good. Like legit. So y'all, we in Sam's, and my little sister Mika, she goes, I'm gonna buy a separate cake. Y'all, she talking about she was gonna shove the cake in Mika's car face. The whole cake. I said, no, don't wish that whole cake. But we shoved a slice in her face. So me and Mika. Yeah, so we do this prank. So we sent Carl outside to get the rest of the bags for my birthday and everything. So my mama locked the door. See, my mama was a part of the foolery too. My mama told me, okay, hide behind the door. So
I told y'all hide behind the French doors, so y'all would get on my carpet.
Oh, I'm sorry. So we hid behind the front door. Mika first. As she entered, she had her head down, boy. Perfect. Bow right in the face. Carl upset. Oh, she thought it was over, right? No, I can't bow again. Yeah, please. Carl started getting upset. You can see it all over her face.
She just did her hair. She got church.
She got beautified to get smacked in the face with cake.
All in her hair.
All up in her hair, her eyes, boy, baby was covered cake face.
Tell them what kind of cake it was, because that was a beautiful cake y'all wasted.
It was a whipped yellow cake with strawberries on top. Beautiful. It was beautiful. And that's why we bought one for her birthday. And Shakamika bought one to smash in her face.
Wasteful.
We still have a cake left. And we bought Cara shoes. And we thought we were smart and knew her size. And we came home and she couldn't fit them. So we had to take them back. Sad. Hey, Shoe Carnival is that place, y'all. I've been sleeping all my life. Here you go, cousins. Look at that. Look at that. On that barbecue, baby. All that beautiful eating, I leave that to my mama. Honey, I eat. Let me fix that food for y'all. Y'all see that? Mm-hmm. Y'all miss me? Cause I miss y'all. I miss y'all every day. I be all nosy in my mama comments like, ooh, wow, did you see Jaleel comment? Or did you see Kiss comment? Or Kikan? Or Kimmy Kim with Cocoa Puff? Like,
I didn't get back to the comments. Tell them I'm sorry. I haven't been feeling good since yesterday.
yeah. She had to muster up the strength today to kind of get things handled. Excuse me. Because she still got to go to work. She still got to do her daily dues because she's not only a grown woman, but a mother. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Mika cake my mama. Come on, I had to get you back for your birthday. My mama like, what, 10 months later? So, you know what my mama did? Childish. She went and grabbed another piece of cake and shoved it in Mika cake. She told Mika to go clean up the mess. As Mika cleaning up the mess, doing what her mother told her, her mother goes and shoves her. She was like, you know I miss Petty while you playing with me. And you know what else happened, y'all? Cara is eating her chicken, right? She goes to me, oh, you smacked me in the face with cake too, huh, Shoshana? She throw the water on me. Everybody get to laugh and they know the pressure on because you can't look like no goofy in this house. Y'all, I said, my mom like, do. I said, Ma, you know I gotta claim my name, boy. I grabbed that bottle of water, I flame on her so hard. She like, thanks for the rinse off. Got pent up in the corner. She went running in the living room. Baby, that's a box. Where you going? Where you going?
Y'all play too dang over.
My mama played too much.
How I get in there?
Who locked the door and told who to hide? You had it all planned out in your head, orchestrated.
How am I going? I couldn't help it. Y'all just start planning it.
Whatever, Ma. You ain't have to be a part of our foolery. Shaquan stayed out of our foolery today. He been ducking and weaving.
You say, I ain't mess up, Ma. I ain't got to clean up. I ain't mess up. I ain't got to mop the floor.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I gotta go to work tomorrow. I'm not ready. Oh, excuse me. Mm-hmm. Shamika prom day is May 3rd, y'all. Mm-hmm.
But they don't have to be on Instagram to see the pictures.
I ain't even gonna show y'all a sneak peek of the dress. I'm just gonna wait until she's completely and utterly ready. Hair, makeup, everything. I thought of my prom was something. Shamika's, oh my goodness.
She in the alteration place. She getting compliments on her dress. Her head swole so damn big.
Yeah. Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay, let's get to these hot wings now. I am neglecting. They look so red, y'all. Look at that. That is,
Ooh, y'all wait for the sound. I doubt if they hearing me though.
She trying to be funny, y'all. Come on, wait till y'all hear the sound. Ooh.
Where's the medicine at?
Mom, I'm not about to talk to you about it. She gonna ask me about the medicine while I'm doing the mukbang, y'all. Yes, it is. She acting like a big baby. Ooh. But y'all know how we get down. We keep it pushing. Cause God, like my mama say, any day above and not under, it's a blessed day. So let's keep it pushing, y'all. We just been getting tested. That's how I know something great about to happen. Cause y'all, we've been getting tested. Irrelevant people popping up. Unnecessary mishaps happening. Just, it's about to be great. And y'all gonna be here to watch it. Period. We are blessed. And like, I was just like, you know, today, oh, excuse me. Okay. You know, your girl had to tear up a little bit. Because, you know, I had some incredible people in my life. And they're in a better place now. But honestly, they helped me become, besides my parents, they helped me become the woman that I am today. And I am eternally grateful to have met such incredible people. Period. Cause man, and my cousin, she pregnant. She about to be due next month. Oh my god! Oh my god! We haven't had like an infant baby, like just born in so long. And Cara used to be that baby, and she's 13 today. Wow! Wow! Life is crazy. Right, my mom's sick, so she can't even go to the baby shower. But it's okay. We're gonna be there for the baby's entire life, so that baby is good. Feel me? But and I gotta work tomorrow, so I believe Mika's gonna go. So I'm not sure what's gonna happen, but something's gonna happen. Cause family first, you feel me? Cousins. Y'all are all family, period. Period. And we all act like family. That's the most important part. Cause moral of the story is just cause they family don't mean they act like it. Hallelujah. Oh yeah. Don't y'all love that gristle? You live. Don't you love that gristle? Yeah, it's a little bit. Be killing it. Y'all know my back been hurting. Y'all know anything she can do to kind of get it right before she go to, she want to go to the chiropractor. So before she goes there, leave that in the comments below for your girl, please. Because I was looking at her like, why you walking like a little old lady? She don't claim to be old, so why you walking like it? She talking about, it's my lower back. Like, Lord, help her. Whew, y'all. Ooh. Cara, how y'all like the Shoshana takeover? Good about Cora.
They love it.
Come on, they love it. Y'all like me? Wow. I'm too extra.
I think you talk more.
Oh, I'm always talking. I'm starting, some people starting to realize how much they talk. But if I, look, this is my thing. If I don't know you, I'm not going to talk like that. But once I know you, baby, we gonna talk all the time. We gonna chat it up. Whew. Okay, y'all. I feel like I'm stuffed like a poker pie. So your girl is over and